A luxury glove manufacturing company in France has adapted its workshop to create washable fabric gloves for frontline workers.
When we started talking about ending the quarantine and wanting to make people feel safe, we talked a lot about masks, and I said to myself that we must also participate in this effort. So we thought of making masks, but I thought a lot of people are able to make those, but gloves will be much more difficult.
In Britain, workers at a company that makes race cars is producing ventilators and testing kits for hospitals across the country. McLaren is one of many companies that has changed over operations as a part of the government's Ventilator Challenge initiative.
For me, being able to volunteer and actually do something that makes a difference, it's a big motivational factor.
In Belgium, researchers are using 3D printing to develop plastic devices that can convert snorkel masks into coronavirus face guards for medical staff.
Me and my colleagues were worried at a certain time that maybe at some point there would be a shortage in material. So we were trying to look for alternatives.
More than 5,000 kilometers away in Afghanistan, food vendor Marzia Sikandar is dressed head to toe in a personal protective suit as she drives her food cart down the street. But instead of dishing out burgers like she used to, she's now providing hand-washing services, spraying people with disinfectant and handing out face masks.
We have sanitizing materials and masks in our cart, and we distribute 60 to 70 masks a day. We explain this health issue to people and advise them to wash their hands.
About 40 of these solar-powered food carts in Kabul have been converted into disinfection vehicles in a bid to stop the spread of the coronavirus. The government provided the funds to convert the vehicles and is also funding the purchase of their disinfectant supplies, face masks, and the workers' salaries. When the coronavirus pandemic gets under control, these civic-minded civilians hope to get back to their regular jobs. But in the meantime, they're doing their part to help protect their fellow citizens against the deadly virus.
Whatever it takes, you go and do it.
Julie Tabo, VOA News.